It's like a hot dog with cheese.
Want something new for breakfast? Watch this. Use some white bread. Roll it flat. Two choices. We're going to do a whole sausage and cut one up. I'm going to put cheese and a couple of thinly sliced pieces of cherry tomatoes in here. Pop it in your bread. Roll it up. Squash it flat. Whisk an egg up. Fry pan on low heat. Pop a bit of oil in. We're going to stick it with a bit of egg on the end. Helps it stick. Squash it flat. Dip it in the egg. Some breadcrumbs. And cook nice and slow. Number 2. Slice your sausage into some small pieces. Put them on your bread. Piece of sausage. A cube of cheese. Piece of sausage. Alternate. Sausage and cheese. They're both delicious. There we are. Give this a roll as well. Bit of egg to help it set. Dip it in your egg. Roll in breadcrumbs. These are super yummy. And cook on low heat with your other one. Let's see which one we like the best. I'm going to do a third one and add some tomato like this. Sausage, cheese, tomato. Roll it up. Bit of egg across here. Dip it in the egg. Breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs make it nice and crispy. Whoa, I had that a bit high. I forgot to turn the heat down, so I've turned it down to minimum now. Nice and slow, and they'll end up crunchy. The breadcrumbs make them crunchy. There we are. Roll it over. Bit of egg. Pop it in. Super quick and easy. So we'll use the rest of our breadcrumbs. Cooking should be easy. Quick and easy and fun. Yeah. The secret is the sausages you use. They have to be pre-cooked. I'm using vegetarian sausages because they're yummy. Plate them up.
This is another one of my favourite brekkies. Let's cut them up and see what we got inside. I'm using my trusty cheese knife. Oh, look at that. That's the long sausage. Let's have a look at this one. Yes. Oh, nice and crispy. And this one is the cheese and sausage. Hot dog. Look at that cheese. Absolutely gorgeous. Perfectly melted. Dip it in any sauce you like. I'm using mustard. Oh, look at that cheese. Perfectly melted.